What is up, everyone? This is Mattman. Cryptocurrencies are not fully understood by most people. We hear about them in passing, and unless you were an investor, they really just don't make much of a difference in our lives. I am here to tell you that cryptocurrencies are the wave of the future. Currently, its volatility makes people very scared. Simple tweets from a celebrity or a politician can cause large dips or surges in the price. Overall, though, what attracts people to crypto are the huge potential for gains. For example, someone with a small amount of money can take the risk of investing all of it into an unknown altcoin, and it could go up 1,000%, and they can wake up rich the next day. These type of gains are unheard of outside of the cryptocurrency market, and yet it happens all the time here. We call it going to the moon. When you don't have a lot of money to invest, the altcoins are where it's at. If you do have money, then you're probably looking to the big movers and shakers like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you just dabble in altcoins with probably 10 or 20% of your money. And now that I personally have a lot of spare time on my hands, I will be helping teach some people about cryptocurrency, along with other topics that I find personally exciting on this channel. So enjoy.